Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Under the CGST Act, can an accused be denied bail solely because the investigation is still pending against a co-accused? Option A, yes, if the co-accused is absconding. Option B, yes, pending investigation is a valid ground. Option C, no, bail cannot be denied solely on that ground. And option D, only the trial court can decide such matters. The correct answer is option C. In the case of Manish Kumar versus Directorate General, Goods and Services Tax Intelligence Zonal Unit, Ludhiana, the Punjab and Haryana High Court ruled that an accused cannot be denied bail under Section 132 of the CGST Act merely because investigation is pending against a co-accused. Question number 2. Is the service of summons considered complete if the signatures of nearby witnesses are not affixed? Option A, yes, the service is complete. Option B, no, the service is incomplete without witnesses' signatures. Option C, only if defendant is absent. And option D, it depends on the court's discretion. The correct answer is option B. Recently in Ram Kishan versus Ram Dahi and others, the Rajasthan High Court ruled that service of summons is incomplete under Order 5, Rule 17 of the Civil Procedure Code if the signatures of witnesses residing nearby are not affixed. Question number 3. Which of the following ensures equal justice and free aid in India? Option A, Article 32. Option B, Article 39A. Option C, Article 14. And option D, Article 21. The correct answer is option B. Article 39A of the Indian Constitution ensures equal justice and free legal aid to individuals who are unable to afford legal representation. It mandates the state to promote justice by providing legal aid to the disadvantaged sections of society. Question number 4. Under Section 69 of BNS, what does the term deceitful means referred to in context of sexual intercourse? Option A, false promise of marriage. Option B, false promise of employment or promotion. Option C, suppressing identity for marriage. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D. Under Section 69 of BNS, deceitful means includes false promises regarding employment, promotion or marriage as well as suppressing one's identity to gain consent for sexual intercourse. Question number 5. Under which section of the Specific Relief Act cancellation of instruments may be ordered? This was a question asked in Chhattisgarh pre-exam in 2023. Option A, Section 31. Option B, Section 30. Option C, Section 29. And option D, Section 28. The correct answer is option A. Section 31 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 deals with the cancellation of instruments like agreements, contracts or deeds under specific circumstances. It allows a person to sue for the cancellation of a written instrument if they have a reasonable apprehension that it could cause them serious injury if left outstanding and if the instrument is deemed void or voidable. It's the time for practice question. Rent controller shall be subordinate to. This was also the question asked in Chhattisgarh pre-exam 2023. The options are option A, collector, option B, rent control tribunal, option C, deputy collector, and option D, commissioner. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.